In this video, we're going to be looking at giving general solutions to trig equations. So here we have an equation, 4 cos bracket x plus pi over 3 equal to -2, and we need to give a general solution to this equation. So first what you need to do is make the trig function the subject. So let's do that. So move the 4 over to the other side. So we have cos bracket x plus pi over 3 equal to -1/2. Now, so we'll have a look at the formula sheet. And this is a cosine function, so I'm interested in this one here. I'm going to write that right underneath here. So, okay, this is what we have. So I hope you can see that cos theta is the same as cos of x plus pi over 3, and cos alpha is -1/2. So we need alpha, and cos alpha is equal to -1/2. And alpha then is cos, okay, I'll write a little bit lower. So alpha then is equal to cos inverse of -1/2. Now, sometimes you have exact values, and if you work in radian mode on the calculator, you may miss them. So to make it easier, what I do is actually work it out in degrees and then convert it to radian. So in degree mode, I found that alpha is 120 degrees, but the question is in radians, so I can convert this to radians by timesing it by pi over 180, which will give me, that's 2 over 3 pi. So that's one way of getting exact values, work in degrees, but then change it into radians. So my alpha is 2 over 3 pi. So then theta is equal to x plus pi over 3. So this whole thing is theta equal to, just following on from my formula here, 2n pi plus or minus alpha, which we have worked out to be 2 over 3 pi. Now we want to make x the subject. That's what solving an equation is about. So x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 over 3 pi minus pi over 3. Okay, and this is for n belonging to all integers. So this is how we find general solutions. So if you have any questions, do let me know. You can leave a comment or send me an email.